Good morning to all. My name is Parmeshwar Das. I have 7 year experience in PV structure. Please welcome to my tech channel by Parmeshwar. Our today's topic is how to inspect raw materials. So I am here heading as raw material inspection. Two things we have to follow. First thing is that identification of material. Identification of raw material. Second one is type of material. Whenever we are going for inspect any raw material, any in the sense whether it is plate, pipe or any filler material or electrode, whatever it may be, you should go through two things. One is identification of RN, how to identify. Second one is type of materials. First, I will explain you how to identify of raw materials. If I'm just giving you an example, if you are taking a plates and you are going for inspection of that plate, on the plate there is heat number is mentioned. Heat number is mentioned on the plate. You should correlate that heat number which is mentioned on the plate with MTC. Everything you can check, but whatever it may be. It may be it's a plate, pipe or electrode. Everywhere there is a heat number or plate number or pipe number is mentioned. So what you do, you should correlate with that heat number with MTC. MTC means Mill Test Certificate. ये हम जो प्लेट बनाते हैं तो प्लेट का सर्टिफिकेट जो रहता है उसको एमटीसी बोलते हैं। एमटीसी में क्या रहता है? एमटीसी में हमारे सारी कुछ चीज रहता है, सारी कुछ चीज इन द सेंस प्लेट का हीट नंबर रहता है, फर्स्ट थिंग हीट नंबर रहता है, एमटीसी में क्या क्या रहता है। सेकेंड ग्रेड ऑफ प्लेट रहता है, कौन सा ग्रेड का प्लेट है, कुछ ग्रेड ऑफ प्लेट्स रहता है। द केमिकल एंड मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज रहता है, मैकेनिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द प्लेट रहता है। उसके साथ साथ मैन्युफैक्चर डिटेल्स रहता है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिटेल्स, हाउ दे मैन्युफैक्चर दैट प्लेट। So whenever you are inspecting a plate, the heat number is mentioned on the surface of that plate. So before going to check, you should inspect whether the heat number is mentioned or not. If it is mentioned, you have to correlate that heat number which is mentioned on the plate with MTC. If MTC heat number and plate heat number is matched, then it's okay. Your identification material, your identification of raw material is okay. Then after we go for type of materials. Type of materials means type of materials is nothing but the grade of materials. Which kind of material you are using for the project. It depends upon the client's requirement. it mentioned in PO and drawing. Like if you are using E350 grade or E250 grade or E410 grade, everything is mentioned drawing and PO also. So you are inspecting any plate, pipe or filler metal or paint material, you should go through the PO or client's requirements. So if the client requirement is E350 BR material, then you have to inspect according to that. So if there is a plate, the plate length is 6 meter and width is 1500 mm and thickness is 20 mm, and you need E350 BR grade plate that also stenciled on the plate. इधर लिखा हो क्या आता है E350 BR ग्रेड, इधर ईट नंबर लिखा होता है। उसके साथ साथ आपको एक MTC मिलता है, मेटेरियल मिल टेस्ट सर्टिफिकेट। सो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, वो जो MTC मिलता है MTC के ऊपर भी the grade of the material also mentioned on MTC. So you just have to match that one. इधर E350 लिखा हुआ है, BR लिखा हुआ है, इधर MTC में मिल सर्टिफिकेट में भी ग्रेड एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ द मेटेरियल लिखा होता है. So you have to match that one, and the thickness and length, width of the material also mentioned in the MTC. So these things you have to check what type of material you are going to use. So here E350 मतलब E350 means this is the grade, E for yield strength, yield 350 grade, BR means quality of the materials. Quality of the materials. So these two things we got how to check, how to inspect the materials. One is identification of RM, second one is type of material. Then after we go for visual inspection. Visual inspection, this is also a vital role to check, to inspect the material. In visual inspection, physically you check the length, breadth, the width and the thickness of the material by the help of micrometer or measuring tape. You can check a plate's length, width and thickness. For thickness we are using micrometer, for length and breadth we are using measuring tape. After that, we should concern about visual inspection in the sense what you are inspect here. We inspect here the quality of the material. Quality in the sense corrosion, fitting. So there should not be corrosion on the material. If a material which is coming contact with the environment, so corrosion will happen. If there is a water lagging is there, so corrosion is happened. Then after fitting is a localized corrosion which leads to cavity or holes on the plate. So that two things you should take care. At the visual inspection you should take care of corrosion and fitting. There should not be any corrosion and fitting on the surface of the plate. Then after, one more thing is that lamination. Lamination is a internal defect. Lamination is an internal defect. So we will discuss about lamination and other more things in next videos. So if you have any doubt about this till fitting, then you can ask me. I will explain about this in next video. Thank you.